there, I'm Josh from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'll be showing you around this used car for sale. This is the Toyota CHR XL CVT model. It's equipped with a 1.8 litre self-charging petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission, with the vehicle also being ULEZ compliant. You've got a very stealthy looking exterior thanks to that black paint finish, with some exterior design elements consisting of your wing guards and rear spoiler. Coming around to the front of the vehicle, you do benefit from LED daytime running lights to enhance visibility on the road. Inside, this model has been optionally fitted with a full black leather upholstery, so you've got that extra premium feel to the cabin. For those with small children, ISOFIX points are available on the outer rear seats. As you can see, the boot is nice and spacious, you'll have no trouble with storage, there's plenty of room for the weekly shopping and more. Heading into your front interior, you get some nice gloss detailing on your dashboard and interior door cards, with that leather upholstery adding that extra comforting feel to those longer drives. Your steering wheel is multifunction. On the left side, you've got volume and channel control options. Over on the right, you'll find your cruise control, as well as the ability to customise the viewing mode on your digital driver display. There's a variety of display options available for you to make use of, and your cruise control is tucked just behind the wheel. Moving on to your main touchscreen, you can view various pieces of information on here, such as your trip computer information. The hybrid engine does provide great fuel economy. You've also got some helpful tools such as your built-in navigation system, and your standard host of entertainment features such as your DAB and FM and AM radio options. As you can see, Bluetooth connectivity is available, so you can make use of audio streaming as well as hands-free phone calls. Finally, placing the vehicle in reverse does give you access to a rear view camera, so you can pull off any parking jobs very easily. Moving just below, you've got your climate control setup. It's here you'll also find the toggles for your front heated seats. And then along the centre of the cabin you get some cup holder and private storage. Thank you for your interest in this Toyota CHR XL model. It's available now from Motor Match Bolton. For more information, please contact a member of the sales team.